Welcome to YS Online. Ako po si Dice and I am your sensei for today. In our previous lessons, we learned how to conjugate the dictionary form for our verbs. We also learned some techniques to conjugate these verbs more easily. So, if you'd like a refresher about conjugating verbs into their dictionary form, check out the links in the description box below. In today's lesson, we will be using verbs in their dictionary form to make some sentences today. Our sentence patterns for today are verb in dictionary form, ことができます and noun ができます. Make sure you take notes and feel free to pause or rewind a bit if you need some clarifications because I have an activity for you guys at the end of this video. So, ready na ba kayo matuto ng Japanese? Alright, let's begin. So, nagkaroon na ba kayo ng time na may bagay na kaya at hindi kayang gawin? Meron din tayong mga libangan or hobbies, di ba? Paano kaya sabihin ng mga ito in Japanese? So, yan ang aaralin natin ngayon. So, for our first sentence pattern, we have noun wa, noun ga dekimasu. In this pattern, the ability and the possibility is expressed in the form of a noun. So, tignan natin ang second sentence pattern natin ngayon, which is verb in dictionary form, ことができます. Or in English, I can do something. So, できます is a verb that indicates that a person has the ability to do something. So, kapag できますlang ang sinabi mo, parang sinabi mo na rin na kayang gawin. The subject of できます is marked by particle が. So, bali, it's something ga dekimasu. Something ga dekimasu. In this section, let's use the subject of the nouns from the noun plus suru verb patterns. So, these are verbs that can be used to indicate an action or motion, right? Suru means to do. So, attaching this to the end of the nouns makes it a verb in Japanese. Dito dapat ang noun na gagamitin natin ay nag-indicate ng action or motion. So, for example, let's use drive, which can also be used to say to drive, right? So in Japanese that would be unten, unten, which refers to the noun drive. So, if we say watashi wa unten suru, it becomes I will drive. Unten suru, right? We also have verbs like dansu, which alone means dance, whereas watashi wa dansu suru means I will dance. I found a girl for me, darling, just dive right, follow my lead. So in our example here, instead of saying using suru, we will change this with ga dekimasu. So for our examples, dansu suru becomes dansu ga dekimasu. Or in English, I can dance. Kaya kong sumayaw. You be the judge of that though. So let's give another sentence. Watashi wa unten suru, which means I drive, right? You change that and it becomes watashi wa unten ga dekimasu. Or I can drive. So another sentence. Halimbawa naman, gusto kong sabihin na kaya kong magsalita ng Japanese. Kasi, totoo naman, di ba? Paano natin sasabihin ito in Japanese? Right? That would be, watashi wa nihongo ga dekimasu. Watashi wa nihongo ga dekimasu. So, in English, right? That's I can speak Japanese. We have watashi, I, followed by the noun denoting an action, which is nihongo, right? Followed by a particle ga, and then lastly, dekimasu, can do. So we have watashi wa nihongo ga dekimasu. So dito, hindi na natin kailangan banggitin pa ang to speak or hanasu in Japanese, right? Dahil sa sentence natin na ito, nihongo ga dekimasu ay ini-express na niya na ang ability to speak and understand the Japanese language. Let's try another example. This time, let's say I can play soccer or sakka in Japanese, right? Sundan natin ulit ang pattern. So the sentence is going to be watashi wa sakka ga dekimasu. Watashi wa sakka ga dekimasu. Simple lang, di ba? Dito sa sentence na ito, again, hindi na kailangan bagitin pa ang to play or shimasu, right? Dahil ang sakka can already act as a verb. So here, sakka is supposed to mean to play soccer. So, paano naman ang kabaliktaran nito? So, imbes na I can speak Japanese, what about I cannot speak Japanese? Simple lang yan. Gagawin lang nating negative ang verb dekimasu. So, bali magiging verb dekimasen, right? So, verb ga dekimasen translates to cannot do or hindi kayang gawin. So, the reverse of our previous sentences would be something like watashi wa nihongo ga dekimasen, for I cannot speak Japanese, right? Watashi wa nihongo ga dekimasen. So that's it for our noun wa, noun ga dekimasu. Sunod naman tayo sa pag-express ng ability or possibility gamit ang verbs, right? Our sentence here is verb in dictionary form, koto ga dekimasu. When a verb is used to describe ability or possibility, we attach koto to the verb's dictionary form to make it a noun phrase followed by ga dekimasu. So, for example, we're looking for a hotel to book on the internet, right? Siyempre, halos lahat ngayon ginagawa na online. Anyway, I want to say, I can book a hotel on the internet. Now, for our vocabulary list, here we have intanetto for the internet, yoyaku shimasu for to book or to reserve, right? And hoteru is hotel. Okay, so kumpletuhin natin ang sentence ngayon. I can book a hotel on the internet in Japanese is watashi wa intanetto de hoteru o yoyaku suru koto ga dekimasu. So let's take a look at this sentence more closely. We have watashi wa intanetto de, which is I on the internet. Next is our noun, hoteru o. And then the dictionary form of the verb yoyaku shimasu, which is yoyaku suru, followed by koto ga dekimasu. Alright, let's take a look at another example. I can read kanji. I is watashi wa. Kanji is, well, kanji in Japanese, followed by the particle o yomu, so to read, right? And lastly, koto ga dekimasu, can do or have the ability to. So put this together and we would say, watashi wa kanji o yomu koto ga dekimasu. Watashi wa kanji o yomu koto ga dekimasu. So it's basically like, I can read kanji, right? And kung gusto nating maging negative ang sentence natin, gaya ng sa noun kanina, right? Palitan natin ang dekimasu to dekimasen. So if we want to say the opposite or the negative form, we say, watashi wa kanji o yomu koto ga dekimasen. Watashi wa kanji o yomu koto ga dekimasen. Okay, so now it's your turn. For our exercise today, I want you guys to translate the following sentences in Japanese for me. Use your notes from our lesson or rewind a bit if you guys need to refresh yourselves. Ready? I can't eat eggs. I can eat ramen. I can play soccer and basketball. Write your answers in the comment section below. That's it for us at YS Online today. If you guys like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who might be interested to learn more about the Japanese language. For YS Online, my name is Dice. じゃ、またね。For all our full YS Online members out there, we have quizzes and other review materials for you to go through para ma-absorb nyo ang natututunan ninyo sa mga lessons natin dito. So, be sure to take those quizzes. If you're interested in becoming a full member of our online program, hit us up at www.ysnlc.com. Stay tuned to our next video. Gagamitin natin ang pinag-aralan natin ngayon para gumawa ng mga iba-ibang sentences.